Try again. Try again. Wait. Take out the key. Try. Again. Are you pressing like this? Again. It spins! With no problem whatsoever. Yes! It works. That's the best part. Let's hear that again. Yeah. So, as for my findings, the engine cranks. That starter motor is good. This one, oops, not good at all. So what's happening now is that I have to find out from here what's happening, because when I try to crank with the key, with the car key, there's not enough voltage. And one of the things that showed me is that I'm using this, which is a connection tester, and what it does is when I connect to the starter cable, one of the starter cables, the light is very dim, and when I connect to something else where there's actually good voltage and it's all good. So what I'm gonna do now is move a step ahead to this. I'm so keen to start, especially because all the preparations here must start as soon as possible. I'm starting to have some rust here, as it shows here. There is some rust happening, but I guess it's not that deep rust. It's just because the car has been for some time. Now it's about this engine bay. Clean all this, take whatever doesn't work, like this. I believe this is the bonnet cable. Clean this all, change this, find out what works and what doesn't work, and it's not a problem if something doesn't work yet. One thing I'm sure of is that fortunately this works. As burnt as it seems, it works. Well, I switched on and lights came on and whatever that was still alive after the burn was working. Of course, when I have to change all this and clean. So if something here doesn't work, I take directly from there. So that one is the guy that is gonna donate everything when it comes to engine to this guy. And I'm sorry, this it's not gonna be a long episode, it's not gonna be a long video. It's something that I was out of curiosity. I couldn't sit down at home and just installed a new starter and not test. So now I'm fine because I know that the starter motor works. And I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Mr. Brown Garage, always with you, even on the festive season. So don't forget to be safe and be responsible. There's a lot of things going on the streets. Make sure your car has good tires. Make sure that your car is good mechanically, so you don't get stranded in the middle of the road on an unsafe or in an unsafe place. Make sure that we don't speed too much. The 260 on your dashboard doesn't mean that you have to drive at 260 on because it's there. So please be safe. Happy Christmas, Happy New Year, Merry everything. Thank you for watching. Peace.